Hey guys, how's it going? Happiest. What's today? Today is Monday, y'all. Monday, March the 3rd. I think it's March 3rd. If it ain't the 3rd, it's the 4th, but we moving right along, y'all. Y'all, what is y'all's weather? This weather is nuts. It is currently 73 degrees, y'all. 73 degrees today. March 3rd. Y'all, I just wanted to open up the video for this week. I'm going to add some clips to this video. But y'all, I'm having a very amazing day. Not going to worry about what might not be going well, but today a good day. And as long as we are above, it's a good day. So hope you guys have been treating yourself well, having good thoughts, loving on yourself, in a positive way, speaking positivity over your life no matter what's going on. Because we all need that, We're living in some times that's very, very, very bad, very crucial times. And we need some goodness, right? So I'm passing on my goodness to you guys. So I probably will see you guys later in this video, all right? All right, guys. Happy Tuesday. Had to get my sweet treat. A little bit of stock for a little boost and some decaffeinated. I mixed it, so that's something new. Y'all, look at my beautiful cup. Look at my beautiful cup. Look at that. She is so pretty. Let me know what y'all think. I washed clothes yesterday evening, y'all, but I wanted to update you guys on, look what I did. I found some jars and I had some labels, and this is how they turned out. I think they're absolutely beautiful. All I need now is one more to put the bleach in, and I'll be happy with that. But I wanted to show you guys, and let me also update you guys on my plant and see how she's thriving. Can y'all see the roots? Look at those. Look at that. From what I just showed y'all last time, look at how many roots she has. Ain't that beautiful? So beautiful. Can't wait to get this sink done though. So anyway, I wash clothes like I said. Here are all the clothes that I washed. So I have to put these up, and then hold on. Here's where I set that other pillow, guys. So I wanted to show you guys that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put those clothes up so I can start my day. Just wanted to say happy Tuesday, guys. Clean, fresh house shoes. Clean workout clothes. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, clean socks. Other things. So guys, this is where I placed the other pillow. Just wanted to show you guys who are interested. I am getting ready to finish my coffee and get dressed for work. And guys, I will see you guys later. All right, have some. Bye.
Do you believe what they say about afterlife? If you ain't got no stake, why the hell do you need a knife? No breathe, can you believe? I know it sucks to have a lonely night. I bet you never had the chance to think about your solo flight. About your solo flight. Hey, what you thinking when you think it? You miss the whole point of you. You can choose not to bruise your beautiful muse. Look, all those feelings, they ain't real. It's all in your head. And if you're into healing, try to feel it without going mad.
Hey y'all, I don't have my tripod. I mean, not my tripod. I don't have the thing in here, so I can't really, I have to hold my phone. I don't like holding the phone. But y'all, it's a beautiful day out here. It is around, let me see, where's the degrees? It's on the screen here. It is 68 degrees, y'all. It is nice. It is nice out here. Y'all, it's so beautiful out here today. So beautiful. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Get out, get you some exercise, enjoy this beautiful day. We don't know how long it's gonna last, but it is amazing out here. I'll see you guys probably a little bit later. I'm doing well. I'm holding on. Everything is good. And we all have our moments. We all have our days. But today is going to be a great day. Today is going to be an amazing day for myself. It is going to be an amazing day for you guys as well. Okay? So I'll check in with you guys once I get home later. Peace. Hey, y'all. I decided to get out here in nature for a little while for break. And I'm climbing up the steps. 2 at a time. Like that. You see that? Each leg. 2 at a time. It feels so good out here. It feels so good. I know this ain't gonna last, but it feels good. And I'll stay covered up because I'm not trying to get sick. Y'all see the bluish green water over here? Ain't it pretty with the rocks? So I just want to give y'all some nature because a lot of y'all like when I go walking and stuff. And we're going to get in more into that of going on some hikes and things like that in the near future, y'all. All right. Hey, y'all. I'm finally back this evening. I stopped over to my mom's house, and y'all already know, shopping at mom, she always have something. So she gave me this right here. It is like broccoli, Tuscan style broccoli, tossed lemons, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. That's the only thing that's going to hurt me. But this is what she gave me. And then in this bag, I already got into my nuts. Y'all know I love me some nuts. Got a bag of walnuts. She gave me some smoked Stokies, no salt, green beans, which I can use. I also got some pinto beans. I can put these in my container. Y'all know what I'm talking about, my glass container. And last but not least, this is the Primo Kitchen, y'all. This is the brand of the collagen that I bought on Amazon. But this is a tad sweet ketchup. It's sweetened with honey. So I got that. Just wanted to show y'all shopping at mom's and what I got. But I'm about to get undressed, get on some comfy clothes. My house need to be addressed a little bit. So I'm going to wipe some things down and then I'll catch you guys back up, okay? Guys, I know it's hard to believe, but yes, my house does get dirty sometimes. Although I try to keep things clean for the most part. However, this mirror gets dirty because if I'm putting stuff in my hair like moisturizer, oil, water, it usually tends to splash on that mirror. So that mirror needs to be wiped off often. I don't do it a whole lot. I might say I might do it every 2 weeks. So this is what I'm showing you guys. me doing this sink area, because the sink area gets a little dirty too with, you know, with your shea butters and your oils and things like that. So I decided to take some time to tidy up my bathroom and get it all fresh and clean again, and, you know, just get off all the little spots and things like that that tend to drive you crazy sometimes when you look at it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my things back. And then I'm always having to, well, I'm not going to say always, but I do from time to time have to vacuum this black rug for the simple fact I am spending a little bit more time in here, y'all. Sometimes I will upload videos in here. Sometimes I just sit in here and read. And sometimes I just sit in here. I might look at my phone, or just sometimes I just sit and just be still, you know. But this rug, you know, has little lint and stuff here and there from my house shoes or whatnot. But, you know, that's just what it is. And then, guys, having glass furniture, let me know in the comments. Do any of you guys own any glass or mirrored furniture? I used to own mirrored furniture, but I'm so glad I don't anymore. I still like it, but I don't. But this mirror, I have to always wipe it. I do sit in here and eat, y'all. Believe it or not, I do. All right, guys, I'm going to start this process. This is really not something that I really want to tackle, but I'm going to do the best that I can. I'm just going to go ahead and just start scraping it and just seeing how far I can get until I can decide what I really want to do. My whole objective is for me to spray paint. I wanted to spray paint this thing black, but I'm not sure if I can do that. But I am going to just start off by scraping off some of the some of the parts that have like bubbled up or whatever, and the parts that I can get to that I see have chipped away, and then I will move on with this process. But I just wanted to let you guys know this is the part of the video that I do not like, but I'm going to do what I have to do, and God is going to give me the strength to get through it, and we're going to get this thing done. Oh God, y'all, I'm done with that part. But guys, I came hearing something going. I was like, oh my God, please don't be letting nothing crawl up in here. Y'all, it was a red robin kept like banging into the glass like it was trying to get in here. I was like, what? But we had a real bad downpour. Can y'all see all that stuff? Wait a minute. Can y'all see that? All that debris in the driveway. But the bird kept going bang, 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 bang. I'm like, you ain't getting up in here now. But I've heard of people, they even have a commercial where that bird was going into the glass, that Windex commercial. I was like, oh my, that was my first time ever experiencing that, y'all. I just wanted to share, okay? All right, y'all, so I think we're at the end of the video for today. The sink wasn't that bad for me to scrub that stuff out, so I've only scrubbed out the surfaces that were like bulking up and things like that had like water underneath. So I scrub that down, and then I'll sand it, and then I'll go look at Home Depot or Lowe's for some paint that will go over I think it's called acrylic ceramic or something. It might be acrylic. No, acrylic is plastic. But y'all know what I'm saying, the type of sink that it is. So guess what? That is my last DIY, y'all, in the house. I don't have no more projects to do, so that's going to give us time and room to do some other stuff, probably like traveling and things like that. I'm super excited. And yeah, y'all see my baby? She looking so good and so healthy. So I got an idea. Do y'all think, because whatever, I know I'm going to get black. So do y'all think this should be black? Since I already have the one in the bathroom that's this color taupe, I'm thinking about doing this one black and just keeping it here on this tray table. Look at that, y'all, it's so sturdy. That was just like the perfect idea, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and keep the black vase here because I don't really have a lot of decor in here, y'all. 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's good considering, okay? So I'm going to close out this video. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to eat that half of that stuff. I'm going to slice it, warm it up, and eat that for dinner, probably with some vegetables like broccoli or something. And no, that is broccoli stuff. I'll find something to eat with it, or I might eat it by itself. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next part of this video, I guess, okay? I'm going to finish watching Good Times. Bye, y'all. Hey, guys. What's up? Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, March the 6th. March 6th. So I'm currently at Home Depot. As y'all can see behind me, I am at Home Depot. And I'm gonna go check out their paints for like sinks or whatever. Hopefully I can spend less than like, I don't want to spend over $9. That's just my goal. I'm hoping if I can find something on clearance or something, because I don't really want to spray anything in the home because it'll leave particles in the air, and then that stuff will have the house stinking. And then too, it just, I don't know if it'll work well, but hopefully I'll find something. But happiest Wednesday to you guys. I'm gonna get my gloves and everything together because as you can see, it's raining really bad. And yesterday it was so funny because the top was open, everything. It was like almost 75 degrees yesterday. Today it's like 40. So I didn't never take off my coat. Let me cut this car off. I didn't never take off my coat, but yeah, I'll be back, y'all. We're gonna see. All right, y'all. I see they got like all the bear. Some of these are on sale for like $7 something, but they don't have where it's like water resistant. And then when I looked over here, I remember them having cans that were like smaller than this, like a little can. I don't really see that anymore, but I'm gonna keep looking and see what we can find. So even over here, they have like some clearances, but even like right here, this is something that's for $2.90. I don't see nothing that, maybe I'm in the wrong section, but I'm gonna keep looking and see if we can find something because these prices are extremely high. And I know things are going to be high. We're in some times where things going to be that way, but it ain't got to be like this. This is like, I remember buying spray paint, not for $6. I was buying spray paint for $4 something, $3 something. Now they're like $9 something. Come on, y'all. Y'all remember me looking at these washers? Look how much money I saved, $400. This is $7.98. Same one, it's just that. And then over here, I saved, I think, $400 on that one too. Just wanted to show y'all the comparison. It's the same dryer. All right, y'all. I have no luck. I'm just leaving Lowe's, and I was gonna get the Rust-Oleum. Oh, this guy's coming out. I was gonna get the Rust-Oleum epoxy spray paint because that's what they use for appliances and sinks and stuff. But it clearly says on the package that you cannot use that for. I can't. This guy can't drive. What are you doing? Oh my God, y'all, hold on. It clearly says you can't use that on ceramic or porcelain. So I'm just like, forget it then. So I'm gonna see what I can do, y'all. I don't know, I'm trying to make the best of it. But y'all, when I was in Home Depot, I went to go use the restroom. And you know how you can see somebody like they bottom part, like they pants down or whatever, not being like too dramatic or anything. It was a man in there using the bathroom, and I had left out of there because clearly it's a man in the bathroom. I seen like his belt with your knife on it and stuff. I was so scared, y'all. I went back again because I wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping. I went to go get somebody because I was like, is a man in the ladies' room using the bathroom? So the ladies went to go check and they were like, come on. I'm like, no, I'm good because I don't know what was going on in there, but I just wanted to share that story with y'all. But I'm about to go do some other stuff and I'll check back in with you guys later.